Hey friends, if you wish to fix headphones connected but no sound on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab, and then in the right pane you can select sound, and then you can make sure that the correct headphones are selected. Okay, by default it's selected at speaker, and if you're using a 3.5 mm jack headphone, then you have to keep it selected at speaker. For USB and other sort of headphones, you will have to select it at headphone. If this doesn't help, then search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. Expand the list in audio out inputs and outputs. Right click on the first one and update drivers. Right click on the second one and update drivers, and update all the drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.